Hi folks, Stu Cheese Garden Services. I might go down there and film something. That's the allotment, veg plot allotment. One of my last videos, early videos, someone's done rubbish in. Somebody's come along and stole my glory and they've done all the weeding. I never quite got time, so I was only here for 2 hours, so I think they've planted those. They look like a perennial sweet pea, but I don't know. I swear to God they weren't there last time, which is odd because it's only been 2 weeks, so they must have been growing up canes. That's nice. Iris in it, I think. Iris. I'll film that very well. And the, I can't think what these are called, I always forget them. They're like blackberries, aren't they? I'm going to have to put that one on the screen. Terrible, terrible memory. I don't know if I can shade the camera a bit there. But they've grown like mad. Growing like mad. And the ferns are growing like mad. This is May, folks. And the I think we're around about the 14th, 15th. Who knows? Somewhere, who knows? When you're a gardener, you don't know, do you? Just look up and see if it's raining or not. Or snowing, or sleeting, or hailing. Right, I'm going to go for a cup of tea. Got some lovely runner beans coming up there. Got some runner bean seeds to go in. Rhubarb's coming alright, not quite as big as mine, but mine was covered up with pallets. I think I had some pallets around mine that forced it up, but I think by the looks of it he's probably pulled a bit of this. Oh, sweet peas. You might find this is quite funny. I forgot my coat and the weather's changed. It's really windy. Really windy. No, I mean, it's really windy here. So I just stand by this lovely little apple tree, all in blossom. Move you in a bit, you can have a look. I don't know if you can see that. It's on my regular job. Yeah, I got really cold. It's windy as anything. So I borrowed this. I don't know what it looks like. Probably awful. And as last time, I've got to move you back because you're right on top of me now. You're on top of a wheelie bin. There you go, on top of the green waste. That's a bit better. Right, I forgot me earmuffs. Always forget them. Got 2 pairs. Gonna put my helmet on. I think it's a bit daft wearing a helmet, mowing a lawn. But I suppose if any of the tree branches fall off, I'll be a little bit safer. Or dead. Ooh. Right, let's have another go. More strimming! Yay! More strimming! Yay! Hi guys, me again. I just wanted to show you something in this garden just behind me. So I'm going to flip the camera around. This is a wisteria, as you can see. Wisteria. It's been here probably for, I don't know, 20 years perhaps. I can't remember how long. This is what happens when you hard prune it. I'm not really sure if I'm going to have to actually remove this. Completely remove it. I want to. I really want to. It's starting to shoot from down the bottom. I really want to, but hold on, there's some buds coming in there, so I think it is. Where's that bud? There it is. Can't quite see the buds, but there are. There's one. There's some. I can't switch it to macro when it's in camera mode, but yeah, it is breaking. I think I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. This is not my handiwork. I'll show you another one as well. So I think it's going to be alright, that one. That is the one out the front. This looks really nice. Look at that. That's how it should really look, isn't it? Oh, there's a lot of stuff going on here that's really nice actually. Wow, yeah, I like that. Look at that. Awesome. I had to get all the creeping Jenny off. because it was taken, not creeping Jenny, what am I on about? Virginia creeper. Lilac, looking really, really good. Smells really strong. If you had smell-o-vision. Wegelia, or Wigelia, it's looking good as well. Ugly bins out the front, not like you can do about them. Right, I'm going to cut it there a minute.